What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, if you're watching this video because you want to know how you can earn $150 or all the way up to $400 completely automatic, that means you don't have to do any work whatsoever. What I need you to do is I need you to like this video, I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, this is a very special video because of what I'm doing is I'm telling you how you can make up to $400 completely automatic. And also at the same time, you're going to be building multiple streams of income. Streams of income is what's going to get us well off, okay? It's what's going to sustain us. You can't put all of your eggs in one basket because if something happens to the basket, then you're broke, then you're out of luck. You just don't know what to do with yourself. What we want to do to build longevity and we want to build a lifetime for ourselves is we need to make ourselves get money from multiple places at the same time. And this is also going to be a little look in how to get money while you are sleeping. That's right. You're going to be getting money when your eyes are closed and you're not doing anything whatsoever. And that's what we want. We want to build that kind of sustainable income in our life. So I need you to stay for the entire video because we're going to slowly build this up. I'm going to give you one tip, then another tip, but they're all associated with each other. And by the end of the video, you're going to have multiple streams of income coming your way. Now let's get into it. The first website we're going to talk about is GoTranscript. Okay, this is a transcription website. Now, oftentimes people don't know about this when I tell them because they don't really think about it. But when you watch Netflix or you're watching a movie or a TV show or anything media wise, you turn on the closed captions and someone has to type those closed captions. They just have to. And this is where you go to do that. So these people come here and they get job opportunities and offers to write the closed captions of videos you see on Facebook or Netflix series or things like that. They even do strictly audio transcriptions. So it's not for closed caption. It's not for media. It's just someone had a dialogue and they need it to be transcribed. So you come here and you do that. Now they pay about $72 per minute. The transcriptions can last a varying amount of time, right? But you're paying or getting paid to transcribe these folks' work. And they have jobs all the time. People use them like Forbes, Huffington Post. They have a dedicated team of professionals. The people that use them are often universities. So if you're into professional dialogue or you have a particular asset in knowing how to talk to lawyers or doctors or people in the medical field, they oftentimes need to transcribe the things that they do. So they come here and they solve that form. They don't charge you for it. This is a completely free membership to have. You don't have to pay any money up front at all. They have people that come here and they charge. This is them. This is how much they get charged for the services. But what you want to do, because none of this is really pertaining to us, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down, and what you want to do is you're going to go to work. Okay, you're going to go to work, and then what you're going to do after that is you're just going to fill out all the information. You're going to sign up. They're going to ask you your name, your age, if you speak English, things like that, and it's 100% free. All you have to do is just wait for them to respond to you, wait to get an answer back. Now, what we're going to do is I'm also going to show you how you can make this just more than one stream of income, okay? More than one stream of income. You're going to scroll all the way back down, and you're going to go to affiliate, okay? Affiliate means if you are a transcriber and you work for this company, that means that if you refer other people to this company as well, we'll give you money for that, okay? So depending on how many people you get, you could be doing the transcription work, but you can also be getting money from referring everyone else. See, this is just a little dialogue saying, hey, the average sale is $210. If you get, maybe 24, maybe less than that, 20 people to sign up through your link. Now, you've probably seen this in YouTube or Facebook or a blog post somewhere just saying, hey, if you click the link below, I'm going to get a little bit of commission off of that. And that's just, you're doing work. You're doing work and they're paying you for it. You know, it's oftentimes when you go shop at a new place and they say, oh, where did you hear from us from? And you say, oh, I found you on the internet or a friend referred me. This is a way of doing that, but they're also paying you for it. So you can be doing the transcription work, but you can also be getting money from the affiliate, and that's the passive income. All you have to do is put the link somewhere and then wait for people to click it. Now, you might be wondering, well, where do I put the link? How do I get people to click it? I don't have, a YouTube channel. I don't have a blog. I'm just doing this right now. And I get that. I'm going to show you how to do that later in the video. So I need you to stick around. I need you to stick around for the end because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can make the affiliate program a passive income for yourself. Now, what we've already done is we've gotten 2 streams of income, okay? We've got the transcription work itself, all right? When we get our jobs and our deals, we have the transcription work, and then we have the affiliate program. The affiliate program is going to be the second stream of income and also the passive one because we're not doing any work for that. All we're doing is we're putting the link where we need it to go, and then people are going to give us money for that. What I'm going to teach you now is one more stream of income that you can do, and this is called Scribble. Scribble is also another transcription website. Okay, and they do similar work. There's a few of these. There's a few of these floating around the internet. You should definitely look into them. But the smart way to go about this would be to subscribe to both Scribble and the GoTranscript. Now, the reason you want to do both of them is because they're not always going to give you the same amount of jobs. You might go in one day and there's not much to pick from. It's slim pickings. And you want to avoid that. We don't want to, rely on just one place. Remember in the beginning of the video, I told you we don't want to put all of our eggs in one basket. So what we want to do is we want to widen our net. We want to broaden our spectrum, okay? So this is their rate. This is not what we're getting paid. They're paying us much, much more money than this. But what you want to do is you just want to come to this website, okay? And you can go down here to subscribe transcribers, right? You can click transcribers right here, and they're going to teach you how to get involved. Again, there is absolutely no fee to be a transcriptionist here. All you have to do is sign up. They ask you a couple questions. Usually they give you 1 or 2 drafts to start off at. They say, hey, do this one and do that one just so we can see where you are. Make sure you speak English very well, and then boom, you have yourself a job. Now, I'm sure you've guessed it, but this is 3. So this is number 3 stream of income. We're going to make it 4. We're going to make it 4. And if all you got to do, scroll down and you see they also have an affiliate program. They have an affiliate program. All you have to do is click on this link, okay? And your commission is going to be 5%. 5%. Now, if you do that 20 times, you're going to get a significant amount of money. Now, if you have this affiliate program, and also you're transcribing for GoTranscript, and you're also transcribing for Scribble, you just made 4 streams of income, 2 of them which are passive. Now, I know you're wondering like, hey, this sounds like it's going to take a lot of time. No, it's not, because what I'm going to show you is the cheat code. I'm going to give you the secret to make sure you can transcribe all of this information in a very short amount of time. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to a website called NCH Software, and you're going to download this free software that says Express Scribe Transcription Software for Mac, and you can also find an additional link on the same website for PC users to subscribe. And this is going to speed up that process of transcribing super fast, all right? It's not even going to take you any kind of time. Sometimes it does it automatically for you, okay? You don't even have to do any kind of transcription work. You just upload the file, whatever file they give you for the job, and then it does all the writing for you. And you go back to one of these websites, Scribble or GoTranscript or both, and you just submit what the software just did for you. That's free money and it's automatic. Now, we talked about the affiliate program before. The affiliate program, the hiccup with that is you're going to need to figure out a way to get that affiliate link somewhere that people are. There's a website that I'm going to show you called Transcriptions Essentials Forum, okay? And this is a website just dedicated to people who are full-time transcriptionists. That's what they do. They transcribe things, okay? And you go here, you sign up to be a member, which is 100% free. It's easy. You can also pick up some really good tips here, and you would basically post your links on the forum, okay? And you want to make it enticing. You want to make it appealing to these people, to say, hey, maybe you're looking for extra income and you're working a transcription job right now, but I'm doing this one over here. You should check it out. And hey, here's a link, just showing a helping hand. They click the link, they sign up, and they do their first job. Guess what? You just get all of that back. Look how many members they have too. Look, they got over 2,000 members. So if you can get just a few hundred of those people to click on your affiliate link and then start, making money that way, you're golden. You're in the clear. You're doing what you're supposed to be doing, and that's diversifying your streams of income. Now, I understand that this is one way to get money, but it's not the only way to get money. It's going to take you a little bit of time. It's going to take you a little bit of energy. And the best thing that we can do for ourselves is to alleviate as much time and energy as we can so we can do the things that we love, so we don't get burnt out and we're not miserable, okay? Some of us are working a job right now, and we're looking for ways to kind of get out of it. And you're watching this video thinking, hey, maybe I could do this instead of the job I got right now, and then my boss doesn't have to be on my back about it. This isn't going to get you rich. This is not going to get you rich. It's going to get you some money. It's going to diversify your income, but you're going to need something a bit more grand than this to really get the freedom that you're looking for while you're watching this. If you are a person that's an entrepreneur and a business mindset, and you think that you have what it takes to step out on your own and really make a living and do something for yourself, I need you to click the link in my description, and that's going to send you to the number one way I think it is to make money online, okay? That's going to be the way that we get the freedom we want. We're going to get the life that we want, and we're going to spend the time the way we want it, and we're going to make money how we are supposed to make money online, completely remote. All right, it doesn't require you to clock in and clock out anywhere. This is what you've been looking for, but it's only for the people who really are about this life, who are really entrepreneurs, who don't mind putting a little bit of work in, because it's going to take some work. You're going to put the work in the front, and you're going to reap all of the benefits afterwards, but you have to do the first part first, okay? If that's you and that's what you think you need in your life, what I need you to do is I need you to click the link in my description, the very first link in my description. That's going to take you to the number one way I think you should be making money online. My name is Make Money Malik. I'll see you in the next video. Like this video, ring that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.